Welcome to my channel, I'm Hopi, and today I'll show you how I made my Houseki no KUNI wigs. Just a disclaimer, I'm not a wig expert, so this is just how it worked for me. So starting with the base wig for yellow diamond, it looked like this. It had a mix of yellow and lighter blonde streaks. Step 1 is to comb and cut the wig. If your wig is very curly, it's better to straighten it first. I wasn't that smart in the moment though. Yellow diamond has a very straight cut, so make sure to measure on yourself first. Check that it's even in the front. Use a comb to make sure it's even. Alright, done cutting. So now it's time to straighten that wig out. I set my straightener to 100 degrees Celsius. Make sure your wig is heat proof. All straightened out. Alright, time for diamond. It already had these glitter streaks mixed in. Diamond has a bob, so while straightening, I twist the hair a bit inwards. This is the straightened side versus the non-straightened. Now it's time for styling. Take a small portion at a time and tease the life out of it. It should be able to stand without spray. And just keep on teasing. If you want a lot of volume, you can spray a bit before teasing actually. When everything is teased, begin softly combing it out. Then you can spray and shape the hair. So this is how it looks styled versus the non-styled. And then it's just tease, comb, spray, and repeat. When you're done styling the wig, it's time to glam it up. So for the fun part, I got this holographic cellophane in the craft store. Measure the length of the hair and start cutting out thin strips. Make them different in width and cut some of the ends pointy. Use a clear glue, e.g. gem tag or similar type. Add a small amount of glue to the end that has the smallest width. Fasten it to the root. Make sure to go in between the layers as well. It gives a little bit more dimension in the look. Add as many as you like. Remember to add the pointy ends on the top. I think it blends in better that way. And yellow diamond is done. I cut the strips for diamond pointy in both ends. And then glue them both top and bottom so it doesn't flutter. These diamonds are ready to shine and fight. after using your wig, the foil might get wrinkly. Store it in a shoebox or somewhere where it doesn't get too wrinkly. But if it happens, this is how to wrinkle out the foil. This is my Lapis Lazuli wig after I used it for a convention. Yeah, it's all beautifully wrinkly. Am I just gonna give up and throw it out? No. I called my best friend, Google. There are different methods for this. I used a hairdryer. Surprisingly, the cellophane strips can endure more heat than you think. So warm up the strips and use your fingers to flatten them out. You should be able to do the same with a straightener, but I didn't try. It can flatten out the bended strips, but it can't entirely remove the wrinkles. But it can make it look straight enough to wear again though. So this is how it looks on a shoot after being blow dried. You can check out my makeup looks for the gems too if you're interested. Thanks for watching! Give it a thumbs up if you liked the video and don't forget to subscribe for more videos.